Hi there everyone, my name is Brendan Goodenough and welcome to this video on how to access the deep web or the Tor hidden services side of the deep web using the Tor browser bundle on either Mac, Windows or Linux depending on whichever operating system you're using. As you can see, I'm going to be running it on Windows because I have a Windows machine. Now for those of you who may remember me from my old channel, which is MuchFact, this video is an updated version of that, mainly because in my old video I was using my old broken mic that was about a year ago, so it was way too quiet. It was somewhat inaudible, or you couldn't really hear what was going on properly. And on top of that, the Tor browser bundle has been updated quite a bit, fairly significantly, to what it was back then. There have been a number of security updates and such, although it is fairly similar to use. So let's get started, I guess. What you want to do first is open up your web browser and head on over to torproject.org. The links for all these will be in the description as per usual. And then you want to scroll down to find the Our Project section, click on the Tor browser link. This will bring you to the Downloads section for the Tor browser bundle. And here you can see different languages if you would like it in a different language, and you want to choose the download for either Windows, Mac or Linux, of course depending on whichever operating system you're using. I'm going to go ahead and download it for the Windows English version. Now while it's downloading, I guess it would be a good thing to mention that so who is the Tor browser bundle aimed for? Of course it's aimed for anyone, but if your intentions are illegal, what you want to do on the deep web, then I would highly recommend you don't use the Tor browser bundle, mainly because the Tor browser bundle is being run on the same operating system that you most likely do everything else on. If you would like to be even more secure in that respect, I would highly recommend using Tails, which is the Amnesiac Incognito Live system, which I made a video about on my old channel, and undoubtedly I'll be making an updated video here on this channel as well sometime in the near future, which is a much more secure way, a Linux-based operating system for accessing the deep web and using Tor. Now the download is almost complete here. Like I said, the Tor browser bundle is of course aimed for anyone, and it is fairly secure by itself, although there have been a number of security breaches here and there which have mainly been patched, but I suppose more will keep on being discovered as time goes on, and then they'll be patched and so on. So I highly recommend keeping track of the news if you're using this and keeping it up to date as much as possible. So now that our download's finished, let's go ahead and run the Tor browser install. And this will open up this window. Choose your language. I'm going to go with English, of course. And then I'm just going to go ahead and install it to my desktop. That's easier for me. You can install it to anywhere you like. This will just take a while to install. And once it's installed, you want to choose the Run Tor Browser Bundle and click on Finish. This will open up the Tor Browser Bundle, or the Tor Network Settings window, where you can either configure your network if you are on a sensitive or proxied connection, or you can connect automatically. Configuring it, if necessary, isn't too hard. You just have to go through these different settings, etc. It's just a fairly simple step-by-step wizard. But for most of us who have our internet working fine, or it's not a proxy connection, you can just go ahead and click on Connect, and it will connect you to the Tor network. So once you're connected to the deep web, the Tor browser window will pop up. That actually took a few minutes for me. I had to skip through it. And once it's up, you can go ahead and click on this button here, Test Tor Network Settings, which will tell you your new or your spoofed IP address pretty much. As you can see here, it says your browser is configured to use Tor, and your IP address appears to be that. Yeah, I definitely recommend checking this each time, because you never know when something's going to go a bit wrong for some reason. And one more thing that we want to do really quickly is we want to click on this No Script button here, and we want to click on Forbid Scripts Globally, because when we're browsing the deep web we don't want some malicious script running, especially when we're on our main operating system. And so you've also got this onion button here, which you can click on. You can use this to create a new identity, which changes your IP address, and I think it resets the browser as well. Takes you back to the home page, and of course you've got the network settings and everything else. Now let's go ahead and go on over to the Hidden Wiki, and to get there, I set up a website a while back. It's deepweb.pw. It has links for a few hidden services. I presume they're legal because they're directories. If they're not, feel free to message me, but I'm pretty sure most of these are legal. And just go ahead and click on the Hidden Wiki link here, which is most likely going to change fairly soon, so I'll post any updates in the comment section or in the description for the Hidden Wiki, and of course I'll be updating the site as well when the Hidden Wiki link changes. And so once it's loaded up the Hidden Wiki, which can take a while as well, so bear that in mind because it's proxying your connection. And so you'll see here, we're on the Hidden Wiki. This is our Hidden Wiki page, which basically, the Hidden Wiki is basically a directory, or in essence it's like a phone book. It lists everything that you can access, or most of the things that people know about that you can access on the Tor hidden services. As you can see here, you've got introduction points like search engines, other Hidden Wiki links as well, and other directory links. You've got financial services, commercial services, hosting, blogs, forums, chans, emailing, and etc. Now, it is very important to realize that there is a lot of illegal stuff in here as well. So, like I said, if you're going into any of that, I would highly recommend not using the Tor browser bundle. But for those of you who are using this for legal purposes, you're totally fine. Just feel free to go around, find some of the legal onion links, which are pretty much, I'd say maybe 40-50% of them, perhaps. Like some of the library sites, some of the chans, the forums, most of them are fairly legal and safe to use. So, thanks for watching, I guess. I hope you found this video useful, and that was just a brief introduction guide to get to the deep web. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I will see them and I will reply to them, although sometimes they may be a bit delayed depending on what I'm doing, because I'm working at the moment. So yeah. So feel free to leave what you thought about this video, leave a comment of what you thought about this video in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're that way. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.